Welcome to our Global Vision School's Science Exhibition. Today, we explore one of the most fascinating organs in the human body, the heart. Join us as Kajal takes us on an exciting journey to understand how the heart works and why it's so important. Let's dive in.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Gawali. I am from 8th standard and today I am presenting a human heart. So as we know, the human heart is present almost at the center in the thoracic cage. It is present behind the ribs and between the two lungs, and it is slightly inclined on the left side. The size of our heart is equal to one's own fist and its weight is about 360 grams. The process of pumping the blood towards the various parts of the body and bringing it back to again the heart is called as blood circulation. To maintain the blood circulation, the heart alternately contracts and relaxes. So, the heart pumps 75 ml of blood during each beat. Internally, the heart is divided into left and right compartments by a vertical division. These compartments are again divided into two parts. The upper part is called as atrium, and while the lower part is called as ventricles. Now, we have here superior vena cava and interior vena cava. Superior vena cava and interior vena cava are the two large veins which carries the deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the organs, and the superior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from the upper part of the body, while the interior vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body. Now let's see the parts of the heart. Here it is pulmonary vein, it is systemic aorta, left atrium, left ventricle, superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, interior vena cava, and here it is pulmonary artery. The liquid which is filled in the injection, the blue liquid indicates the deoxygenated blood, while the red liquid indicates the oxygenated blood. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you.
That was an amazing explanation of the heart. We hope you enjoyed learning about this vital organ. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, science is everywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting educational content. See you next time!